Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be showing you how to identify an error code in an LG washing machine. Your washing machine will display an error code if the machine has a problem. On LG machines, this is indicated by a couple of letters on the digital readout. Now, error codes are a guide and can be misleading, but they should certainly be used to identify what is going wrong. And remember, before carrying out any work on the appliance, always make sure you unplug it first. Now, here is a list of the LG error codes for washing machines. First off is CL, or child lock. Now, check your instructions, but on this model, this can be turned on and off by pressing and holding these two buttons here. If your machine is displaying OE, this is output error. It means the machine is not being able to empty correctly. So check the pump and check for any debris that might be stuck in the filter. If your machine is displaying IE, that is input error. It means the machine has had a problem filling with water. Check for a kinked or trapped hose and also check the valves inside the machine. Now, DE is a door error. So ensure that the door can close properly. And if the problem persists, suspect the lock itself. Now, if your machine displays UE after a cycle, this is unbalanced error and the machine cannot balance out the wash load. So make sure inside the drum that you have similarly weighted items, because if you don't, the machine won't spin any further. And you can see our other video on how to prevent a noisy washing machine on spin. Now, if your machine displays SE, this is a motor sensor error. So check the sensor itself, its connections, and if the problem persists, check the control board. If your machine is displaying LE, this is a lock error. And again, if the door is not shutting properly, suspect the lock. FE relates to a filling error. So if your machine has overfills, check that the valves can stop the water, and also check the pressure hose and the switch. PE relates to a pressure switch error. So check the pressure switch hose for blockages and holes, and also the pressure switch itself and its connections. Now, TE relates to a temperature error, which means that the water temperature sensor is not giving the correct readings. So check its connections, and if necessary, replace the water sensor itself. So there we have the washing machine error code guide for LG washing machines. And remember, these are a guide and can mislead, but do have a look at our advice center for up-to-date information. Also, a faulty module cannot be proved to be faulty unless it has been replaced. Now, parts for washing machines and washer dryers for all makes and manufacturers are available on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.